This is one of the, would have been one of the worser John Wick movie cars from the first movie. As you can see, we've cut all the metal off of it. This rail was bent way down. That rail over there was bent way up. It's still got the gray on it. Got the stripe on it. Got the stripes across the back. All this back here was messed up. Cut all that out. She's banged up. Some of this video is going to be a slideshow, and I do apologize for that. My SD card was not working with my editing software, and I just really wanted y'all to see what I was working on. I'm excited about this car. This is the John Wick car.
Excuse me.
John's drilling out all the welds in the transition.
I'm sorry.
Got a new one. We're going to just replace it. Excuse me. Put reference points. And measure it afterwards, make sure it stays the same. There's our new transition. Went ahead and took the brace off the bottom. It came with the brace already welded on it. And we're not going to be replacing the brace. Took that off. Just got done gluing up our new tinted windows, or they're smoked windows for the Eleanor. Got them urethaned in the frames. Hopefully we'll be putting those in later today. We started marking up the cowl. Made this panel and formed all this. I didn't have to make it up this far, I just did, just in case. So it sits pretty good. Want to step up for the big bit, or you already did?
Yeah. I'll probably go back over some of them.
Yeah, make sure the hoses are clean. Like, see how that one's real nice and clean? That one's clean, that one's clean. If it's like, let's say like that one, and that one.
Let me drill these and I'll switch back over to the bit.
Yeah. And we're getting some of it welded in. Oh. Throw in here. A lot of rosette welds on it. I think that's what they call them, ain't it? Rosette welds? Rosetta welds or rosette welds? Something like that. And drill the hole and weld through it. Now we gotta go back in here and we gotta weld the weld tub to the call them what?
Plug welds.
Plug welds? Yeah, I guess you call them plug welds.
Basically, that's all you're doing is plug and pull.
When we measured from here to here before we took anything apart, in order to get it back right, we had to shove this up as it all fell down. These are broke loose. And this is the only part that's bad. So I'm going to go in here and cut this and clean it up. Just put a piece of metal in here, weld it up, then we're going to put new outers. So this will all be replaced. But the rest of it looks good all the way around. This side's the same way. Broke loose. Go in here, we'll cut it, put a section in it, then we'll replace the outer.
walk around in here. Not too shabby.
Much better.
Much better. Our A-pillars came, finally, after 2 weeks. Thanks a lot, Classic Industries. Jigsaw puzzle. And we got B pillars somewhere. I don't know where they went.
They're in the box over there, isn't they?
Where?
How about those back here? They're in a box over there. They're still in the box out here.
Out here? Oh, yeah, I see them. Here's the B pillars. So, make it all back nice and pretty. This gets welded on. Yes. That'll fix all the rust in the car anyway. Do a rust-free car. John Wick car. Slowly coming back together. Well, as you can see, John's up there putting a truck back together. Oh, man. That's for Chad. But anyway, we made a little progress. Got the new B pillars welded in, outside and inside. Got our quarter panels mocked up, which was a nightmare. Should have got that on camera. That would have been funny. Went ahead and installed both of these to make sure our gaps is right. Took this one back off because I didn't like the way they've got the taillight panel stamped wrong. If you measure from the bottom up to this line here, this set of lights is down lower 1/4 of an inch than that over there. I don't know how they've done it. And I mean, you can even look right here. Look how skinny this right here is. See how skinny that is? Now come over and look. Look how much wider it is. So to manipulate everything, I dropped the taillight panel down on this side. And doing that, I'm gonna have to router out my hose so I can make this fit again. Yeah, I think it fits pretty good. Basically, a new car when it's done. The outer wheel tails was in pretty good shape. So the only repair we had to do is right in here. I'm just gonna grind this down, make it pretty. And we replaced backside. Of course, we replaced the transition, both trunk floors. We just used that old rusty gas tank as just to square up the trunk floor. If you ever need to square up your floor, use an original gas tank, because all the screw holes, they'll line you up. Well, as you can see, the back half is mocked up. I've got, I put the new A-pillar in, did some rust repair, put this panel back on. Got everything fitted and mocked up. Went ahead and test fitted my cowl to make sure. I had to make all this. From here, I ain't done this yet, but from here all the way wrapped around, on here, all the way up to here, all this is handmade. Because evidently you can't just buy that piece. I looked and looked and looked and you can't get it. Unless you buy the whole entire side. I probably would have been better off to do that. But I just got the driver's side A-pillar took loose. I hammered and dollied this out because it was all caved in. So it's in pretty good shape now. I wanted to buy new ones, but they're on back order. Can't get them right now, and I'm not one to wait. So let me turn this welder off. It's a mess in here right now. I need to clean it up. But I just got this one off. As you can see, not a whole lot left. It's pretty rusty. This part ain't too bad. Clean it up. Do a little rust repair. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make this section here. You can see where it's put together. Right there, that line, all the way down. I'm gonna make a new small section right here. Clean this part up, rust treat it. And I'll do like I did the other side, and I'll just make a little piece to go in here. Just make it out of 16 gauge. And I wish I had some 18 gauge, but I ain't got none. 16 gauge will make it nice and strong. I'll get the side made, get the top made, get all this mocked up, and we'll go from there. Guys, I apologize for the slideshow, but my SD card, it wasn't working with my editing software, so this is the best I could do, and I really wanted to get this out to you guys so you can see what I was doing. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and until next time, guys.